Tell me, what do you enjoy doing in your spare time?
I enjoy drawing and painting.
You know how to draw and paint?
Yes, I do.
When did you learn how to do that?
I learned back in high school.
Oh, so you took an art class.
Yeah, I love that art class.
I see that you're pretty talented.
Thank you very much.
I wish I had a talent like that.
I'm sure you have a talent. It's just hidden.
What kinds of things do you like to do?
I've always liked to draw and paint.
I didn't know you knew how to draw and paint.
I do it every once in a while.
How long have you known how to do that?
I first learned how to do it in high school.
Did you take some sort of art class or something?
That was my favorite class.
You have got to be talented.
Thanks.
If only I was talented.
You have talent. You just don't know what it is yet.
Are there any hobbies you do?
When I have time, I sometimes draw and paint.
Oh, you actually do that?
Every so often I do.
Did you always know how to draw and paint?
I was taught in high school how to draw and paint.
You had an art class?
Exactly. It was my favorite class.
Well, it's good that you're so talented.
I appreciate that.
Talent is a great thing. I wish I had one.
Everyone has talent. They just need to find it.